Dear students, in the class we are going to discuss the complex integration introduction part. First we discuss few important definitions in the complex integration. First definition, simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means if you consider one curve, it is simply connected because its starting point is here and the ending point with this, and then there is no cross here. It is called that simply connected. Otherwise, in case if you consider this curve, this curve is starting from here, but in between some cross is there, intersection points are there. So therefore, this type of curve is called that multiple curve. So how can we define that simple closed curve and the multiple closed curve? A curve is called a simple closed curve. If it does not cross itself. So here, see that figure 1. In the figure 1, the curve is not cross anywhere. So this type of curve is known as that simply closed curve. A curve which is not simply closed is called multiple. This is one important definition in that complex integration. Then one more important definition, simply connected region. Simple connected region or simply connected region. Simply connected region. See, simply connected region means, once again you consider the same curve starting from here and then end with here, or you can consider one square. This is also the simply connected region. So how can we define that simply connected region? A region is called simply connected If every closed curve in the region enclosed points on the enclosed points of the region 1. See, for example, the circle and the square are simply connected region. So what is meant by multiple connected region? Multiple connected region is a region which is not simply connected, is called multiple connected region. See, for example, you can see this. This is one curve. Inside, two more circles are there. If it is not simply connected, it is not a fully closed region. So what is the definition for simply closed circle or closed curve? Simply closed curve is, so it is starting point here and the ending point with that, which is not intersected. And then even the three circles are there, the three circles are not intersected themselves, but it is not simply closed. Only one curve is simply closed, other more two more curves are there. Then otherwise one more example is there. It is the annulus. This annulus also that multiple connected region. Even the multiple connected region may be converted to that simple connected region. How can it will be that simple connected region? For example, in case you are connecting like this, in case if it is open, so here we can see that in case the curve is like that, but is here, here, and then here it go to okay. Even this multiple connected region may be converted into that simple connected region. How? Say this. So from here and then okay. So now it is the simple connected region. It is not anywhere across itself. Similarly, the annulus also can be converted to that simple connected region. So it is starting from here and then it goes around that annulus and then once again it comes to that same point. So if it is not Anywhere cross itself, that is called the simple connected region. Otherwise, it is the multiple connected region. So we can write the note. The multiple connected region can be converted to simply connected region. You will to understand? Okay. Then next definition. Okay, change the pen color. Fine. Next definition is contours and regions. See the definition. A continuous curve made up of a finite numbers of arcs such as x equal to f1 of y, x equal to the function of y, and x equal to f2 of y. Of the following figures is called contour. What is the figure here? Please draw this diagram. Here we can draw one circle. Okay. So in the circle, you can divide this circle into two arcs, whereas this is x equal to f1 of y, x equal to f2 of y. This contour is that simple contour. Now we can see the definition. A continuous curve is a continuous curve made up of a finite number of arcs. So we can divide into not only two, so we can divide into n number of arcs also. That is called a contour, continuous curve made up of the finite number of arcs such as x equal to f1 of y, x equal to f2 of y. We can extend that x equal to fn of y also. Of the following figures is called the contour here. Very simply, we can say that what is meant by contour, that is a simply closed paths, simply closed paths is called a contour. Even not only the circle, even simple closed curve may be like that also. Even that curve, it is so complicated, even that is also that contains that many number of arcs. So that many number of arcs you can simply closed. Then we can made up of with that finite number of arcs. This type of it is also the not contour, but it is somewhat complicated. In the case, the type of contour is called complicated contour. Next definition, the complex integration. Open region and closed region. Open region and closed region. The definition for this, a region is connected set of points it may consist of interior points or interior and boundary points. An open region consists only an open region consists only of interior points. But the closed region is a region containing all its boundary points. and the interior points. See, for example, now we can draw one diagram for this for open region and closed region. This x-axis, this y-axis, and then inner we can draw one rectangle or square. This is some closed region actually. It is one region. Now, what are the boundaries for this region? The boundaries for the region x equal to a, x equal to b, y equal to c, and y equal to d. So the rectangular region of figure including the boundary represents the set of points this is set of points here. What is the boundary? A less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, and c less than or equal to y less than or equal to d. Here we can see that less than or equal to means it including the boundary points also. It is a closed region. It is a closed region. Whereas it contains only the interior points. It is called the open region. The open region excludes the boundaries and corresponds to the set of points. A not less than or equal to, only less than. A less than x less than b, c less than y less than d. So what is the difference between that open and closed region is that the closed region means it contains the boundary points and interior points. Open region means it contains only that interior points. Good. So this is the few important definitions. Only one more definition is there remaining. What is meant by connected region, not connected region? Definition. The connected region is one in which any two points in it can be connected by a curve which is entirely within the region. See, for example, you can draw one diagram. Two regions are there. A and B are the two regions. Here also A and B are the two regions are there. This region A, this region B. That A and B are connected. We are taking any two points that may be the connected in the region. But here also we can consider the two regions A and B. This two region, if you consider any two points in A and B, it is not the connected. So therefore, this is the first one is called the connected region. These 2 points, the two regions are known as the not connected region. So what are the points we have considered in the definitions? First one is that first one is definition one is simply closed region and multiple closed region. Second one is simply connected region. Second definition is that simply connected region and multiple connected region. The third one is what is meant by contours and integration. It is more important than other definitions. And then what is simple contour and complicated contour, we will define that. And then fourth definition is that what is meant by open region and closed region. In the region, only interior points, if we consider only the interior points, that is called open region. If we consider both interior and boundary points, that is called an open closed region. For example, here I have given one example for this open region and closed region. Then last one definition is that connected region and a not connected region. So this is some introduction for that complex integration. In the next class we will discuss what is called the complex integration very briefly. Thank you.